allow me fixing everything, and because there is always something to fix, I'll show you how we are going to test a starter motor. This is from a diesel engine, so they could be smaller, they could be a lot bigger. Yeah, this is from a 2-liter diesel engine. Now what you need is a battery, 12 volt. You can see I have here the positive with the red cable and the negative with the black cable. They need to be apart, separated, and I have a cloth here because my table is metal. Now, how the starter motor receives ground, which is the black cable, via these bolts to the engine block. It just connects to ground. Okay, so we'll just clip it on the bottom. I don't clip it on the top because you're not going to be able to see here. Now, you don't want to connect this one to ground right now because sparks will appear and you actually shorten the battery. I'll just show you. Okay, so don't do that. The way that the starter receives power on the positive side is via this. It's constantly on, yeah. So we'll just put it here on, and here also. Okay, it should be okay. Okay, now this is the starter relay. What it does is actually transferring power from this one to this one into the windings here, and it will make the starter turn. So we just want to hear first, without ejecting the wheel, yeah, just to hear how it sounds. We'll just shorten, yeah, we'll just make short from here to here, yeah, and this will give us the sound of the bearings. And if it has any winding noise or anything like that, it sounds reasonably fine. Now this is where the car is actually putting 12 volts. So if you have 12 volts onto this small cable, yeah, it will make the whole mechanism eject the wheel and turn at the same time. Okay, good. Well, that's how to test starter motor. Although it looks okay, yeah, it's possible to still not work when the engine is hot, when something like that is going on. Okay, for example, the connections here are looking pretty miserable. You can see right onto there. This is potential problem. So the whole thing should be open and checked. Be careful with these cables so they don't touch. Okay, that's how to test a starter.